In this topic, we'll learn about Introduction to Security with Group Policy Objects and Organization Units in Windows Server 2012. Introduction. Group policies are collections of user and computer configuration settings that can be linked to computers, sites, domain and organization units (OUs) to specify the behavior of users, desktops. For example, using group policies, you can specify the programs that are available to users, the programs that appear on the user's desktop, and start menu options. One of the most important things in every Windows-based domains or updates, you'll probably want to arrange updating by domain group policy, since people often forget postpone Windows updates. Now let's start. First go to Start and then go to Server Manager. Click on Tools and then click on Group Policy Management. Expand forest domains, right click on your OU. Or first create OU, Organizational Unit. Right click on your domain and then click on New Organizational Unit. Name, for example, Organizational Unit. And then click on OK. Now, right click on your OU, Organizational Unit, that you want to this policy to apply. In my case, Organizational Unit. Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. We need to name GPO 1 and then click on OK. GPU 1. New policy is created in my case under Organizational Unit OU, and it will apply to all PCs that are part of Organizational Unit OU. Right click and then click on Edit. Click on Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, System, Windows Components. Click on All Settings. Double click on Prevent Enabling Lock Screen Slideshow. Click on Enable and then click on Apply and click on OK. In order to confirm that this setting is working, we need to test one of the PCs that are affected by this policy.